Hey, my name is Caelin Brinkley, and today we are embarking a journey in Drake Bay, Costa Rica. Today we will be looking for the indigenous species of this little peninsula. We will be looking for monkeys and macaws. Let's have our fingers crossed and hope we find a good catch. Oh! You need to watch out for those coconuts, kids. They can kill you. But we're gonna keep on walking despite that almost near-death injury. Okay, so guys, the sun appears to be in around halfway through the stratosphere, which means that it's around, I don't know, 2:30, around 2:30 that time, 2:30. So, all right. So we have spoken with some of the locals, and they have said that the monkeys should appear around 5:30 at the beach, and so we will be looking for that. And do you hear that? Birds.
So, our journey begins as we embark on our adventure to find the many indigenous animals native to Costa Rica. As we go across the bridges, we notice plant life and animal habitats.
As you can see, this natural bridge has provided shelter for many species of monkeys and rabbits. And as we go down the banks of the river, we can...
Dude, you okay?
No, there was a spider. If it wasn't for my stealth shoes, I wouldn't have made it out alive. I think it could have laid its eggs on me. That would have been really scary. But the thing is that we made it out alive, Caelin crew, and we need to stay safe. And remember, kids, don't do anything like this if you don't have your stealth shoes.
Despite staring death directly in the eyes, the crew and I continued down to the beach.
So, this natural water is a freshwater body source, and it has healing properties. So, we're hoping that we can... Ah, God! Jeez! We're hoping that we can cure my spider eggs with the fresh water, okay? I feel good already.
After effectively curing my spider eggs, we found a very interesting track.
My, oh my! Might those be the tracks of the monkeys that we're looking for? The capuchin Costa Rican monkeys that we have been searching for the past 3 hours? Could this be it? Let's do a taste test. That monkey. So we're gonna keep on our journey, and hopefully we can spot a monkey amongst the trees. So oftentimes when the tide is around spring tide, it can drag in all of this good goo that we could use for research. And clearly you can see that this right here is a dried out sea urchin. And you can see right here, that is the Aristotle's lantern, which is used to digest the food and secrete stuff from the anus, which should be on the top of the sea urchin, which is relatively around that area. So next time we find a sea urchin, we will know more about it, won't we, Caelin crew? Oh my God! The monkeys are after me. Caelin crew, the monkeys are after me. Where are they? I don't know where they are. I don't know. We have been over this. I don't know where they are. But they clearly are sending me signals. They want me to find them. I don't want them to find me. They want me to find them. I have to fight.
When I thought that all hope was lost, I heard something in the trees.
It's not recording?
No, it's not recording.
Okay. Dude, stop.
It's not. I promise. Pinky promise.
I can't catch. I can't catch him, Will.
After all the trial and error of trying to find these Costa Rican monkeys, I didn't sulk. I didn't feel bad about myself or for myself. You know what I did? I picked myself back up. I did because I had to find those monkeys. They were my end goal. And I didn't cry. I didn't scream. I wasn't upset. I had to do this for the fans, for myself, and for my family.
The monkeys!
Come on, you're Caelin Brinkley. That's you.
Get out of here with that.
Yeah, let's get the monkeys. Yeah.
Get the monkeys. Get the monkeys. Crew, it seems that we have found not a monkey but a hole. It might continue. No, it's not gonna have a monkey. It has something in it, and we're gonna use a method that I learned from my ancestors, where basically the lack of oxygen in the water, this fresh water, the lack of oxygen in it will force the said monkey out of the hole, and we'll see who's laughing now. So, as I'm scooping up the water in a palm-like fashion, a bowl-like fashion, we are going to be carrying the water over to the hole, and hopefully we can pull this little hecker, this little... I think it is Caelin Crew. I can't do this. It's a dog. It's a dog. I want a monkey. You're not a monkey. You're not a monkey.
Don't patronize the dog.
Be a monkey.
Don't
Don't pet it. It's not a monkey. It's not a monkey.
Look at him go.
I want a monkey, please. Oh. So there are birds now. Birds. Now we're finding everything. Birds. So these birds are indigenous to Costa Rica. I don't know why. Where did they come? I don't know. But they're here. I don't know what type of bird they are because I'm not thoroughly an expert, okay? I'm a fraud. Not a fraud. I just don't know.
As our journey was coming to an end, and we were losing all our hope, we finally heard rustling in the trees.
Wow, guys, it's a monkey. We found it. It's up there. No, you don't look because you can't see it. There's a tree blocking the monkey, but it's there. All right, Caelin Crew. I'll see you on the next adventure.